Hi guys, it's December 22nd. It's like negative -2 Fahrenheit. We had blizzard last night. Just checking my bees. The entrances are blocked. It is very, very cold. So one of the disadvantages of running only a single entrance on the bottom of the hive is you have to go out and clean it every time you have snow. So we're gonna check. You want to clean the entrance because next few days we're gonna have some nice 40+ weather and bees need to go out and do a cleansing flight because they don't do that inside the hive. So we gotta clean every one of these entrances because they don't have upper hole to to use, so we have to clean the bottom one. Just clean with the brush. I brush the snow off. I don't remove any top, snow on the top or on the side. That's really good isolation from them. But I have to remove the entrance. And then clean the dead bees. And then put the mice wire to prevent mice from coming in. And I have to do that in every hive. you can see, I don't wrap my hive. I only have one entrance and insulation on top of the hives. Okay guys, I have 4 more hives to do. I've done the hives by my house. I've done over there, and I have some hives across the hill, and those hives over there. I've done the yard on that side, so I only have left a few hives here. It's really cold, so we're expecting, in a couple of days, we are expecting temperatures to go back 40 degrees, which means bees are going to do their cleansing flight, and I have to open their entrance because sometimes the entrance is blocked by the dead bees, and if it's covered by snow, they don't stand a chance if they don't go out, because they don't poop inside the hive, so they have to go out. So doesn't matter what temperature it is and what, you know, how cold it is. After the big snowstorm, I have to remove these entrances. So thanks for watching. See you next time.